Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you a very common free fix for your 12th gen Ford F-150. Really, this works for about 2007 all the way up to 2020. This is a pretty common issue. If we jump inside and look at the dash while changing to four-wheel drive, we'll get an error 4x4 and a wrench light. Sometimes you'll also get a check engine code for a P1867, which is your transfer case contact plate general circuit failure. Mine doesn't have a check engine code, but it will still most likely fix it. So let's jump under the truck so I can show you what to do. Okay, so if you come back here to the back of the transfer case, right here's your motor that will shift it for you. It has T15s, 3 of them. You want to take those off. Okay, now that you got all those taken out, you just want to gently pull it out. And this little half moon shaft, it gets corroded in here, so what we want to do is just turn it back and forth. You can hear it. So we're just going to go back and forth. Just do this a few times. Alright, then you want to line up that half moon with the other one. It'll slip right back in, and we'll put those right back in. Okay, so you can move this slightly to get it adjusted. You want to get all 3 started. Okay, now that we got it down, what you want to do is you want to clear your codes or disconnect your battery for, 10-20 minutes. The reason you want to do this is if it still has that code stored, it will not work. So we're going to do that now. Okay, now that I went ahead and cleared the codes, you want to go ahead and turn the truck all the way off and turn it back on. Now let's try 4 high. And look at there. And then we got to go to neutral. Put it in 4 low. And there we go. As you can see right down there, it is in 4 low. Go back. There's 4 high. It's working perfectly. And then we can go back to 2-wheel drive. So this is a quick, easy fix that you want to try before you actually replace the motor itself or have to diagnose any further. I hope I was able to help someone out. If I did, please leave it down there in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.